What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. I got this common problem that many Dodge Charger owners go through. A faulty key fob. If you're having trouble unlocking or push starting your car, it might just be a dead battery, but don't worry, I got you covered. To access the battery, locate the small clip on the back of the key fob. Slide it to the left and pull out the key. Then use the key to gently pry open the fob, or use a flathead screwdriver. Inside you'll see the battery. Remove it. In this case, it's a CR2032 battery. You can easily find these at your local auto parts store. If your key fob case is worn out or damaged, you can find replacements online. Just transfer the circuit board and battery to the new case and reassemble. Use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully work the circuit board out of the key fob. I found it helpful to cut the top post to let the board slide out. Make sure the new battery is properly seated with the positive side facing downward. Then snap the key fob back together. And just like that, you got yourself a brand new working key fob. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.